Well, hello everyone, it's Annette here, Fairydust Nails, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use glitter, these little round cut out little shapes, fine little flowers, and also a leaf. And I'm going to use Coco Acrylic clear, which is called Let Me Be Clear, and also Coco Acrylic Monomer liquid to do this encapsulation on this nail. I just want to show you how clear this actual acrylic is. So taking a bead, putting it down on the free edge of the nail, and then of course just taking it down, making a thin layer to work on. Make sure that you just pat it down, and then very thinly on your form, wet your brush, and just take it out. Stretch it out to where you want the nail to go up to. I'm using this as a guideline. There we go. And the same this side. Just use it as a guideline. Tap, and I'm gonna go up to there. So there we've got that part of it finished. I am going to use a little bit of Posh Peach, also Coco Acrylic, just to put a little bit at the cuticle area and slide it down. I just want that little bit of a base before I do the encapsulation. Sorry, I took a little bit of a too wet bead now, but we're cleaning it up and we're doing whatever we need to. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to take another little bit. Sorry, I'm working with a very wet bead because I want it to be see-through, especially here at the tip. So just cleaning it off. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the clear, just put it down again so that it's got something to stick to. And there we go. I'm going to put those down. Tiny little bit. And also just a few at the end here. Then I'm also going to take a bit of glitter. A little bit of acrylic. And just dab it so that there's a bit of a background. Tiny little bit. You do that with the Coco Acrylic as well. Very wet bead, tiny little bit of glitter. Okay, now another little bead in the areas where you don't have anything else. I'm going to pick up some of these flowers, put them down, another little flower. Got my little scissors ready here just to cut them off. Another little wet bead. Pick up all these little flowers. Put them down. And you don't have to press them down that badly because you actually want them to look like it's ready. So we'll take another one. I think I'm going to try and put that whole one in here. That's going to be a little bit too difficult because it's too stiff. Let's just cut it quickly. There we go. Pick up some of these flowers, put it down there. I just randomly use these little flowers. We want one at the tip as well. Let's see if we can get a little piece in there. Yes, we can. There we go. And you see it'll look very, very rough. But now is when the magic actually happens. I'm just going to take the glitter and close it. And of course these little circles that I've used. Now the magic starts. Clean your brush. Lots of monomer, big bead of acrylic, wait for it to polymerize, put it down, you'll see it'll stay, press it down to the side wall, and then you can encapsulate. I'm taking another bead, putting it down, and just wetting my brush and guiding this down to the edge of the nail. I'm just making sure that everything is encapsulated properly. And please remember that this is when you build your arch with your actual encapsulation. With your clear acrylic, you don't have to do it when you actually are doing the artwork. There we go. And now we'll just wait for it to dry and I'll show you what it looks like when it's been buffed. Okay, and so now it's set. Now we're just going to buff it. Of course, the normal filing routine, which would be sidewall, free edge, cuticle area, and then of course shaping at the top. There we go. Let's get rid of all the dust. Okay, I'm just going to take a light buffer to get a smoother edge out of it. There we go. Dust. And now, of course, we're going to put on top coat. There we go. So now let's put on top coat. See the design coming out immediately. And then remember, that's what I always do. I always put a bit of top coat at the bottom of the nail as well. And there you have it. So let's cure this for 60 seconds and then I'll be back. And there we go. This is what it looks like. Encapsulation done with Let Me Be Clear from Coco Acrylics. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Cheers, bye.